Hey all exporters and importers, how are you all? So once again, this is Veer Shah from iiiEM and I welcome you all on this amazing, one of the best business in the world, and that is international business, export-import business, right? There is not a single country in the world who does not would like to have anything. So any country, or we can say the largest exporter in the world is also the second largest importer of the world. So every country and any country, they have to have something. So that's why the business is actually of demand and supply, and that is covering all the possible industries in the world. Either if you are talking about the agriculture or the textile or the chemical or the engineering industry or the any food industry or the number of, you can say, any industry is a part of export-import industry. So that's why this is the business where you will able to find the number of opportunities in the number of sectors, in the number of markets. And hashtag Ask iiiEM. This is a video series where we are trying to help you out, all the exporters, all the importers, about their doubts and queries when they are entering or they are making a business in an export or import. So let's talk about today's question, and that is from Prajanya Nayak. He has asked the question that if I want to, I just want to form, you can say, the proprietorship firm, and but I don't found any steps on the internet. Please make a video on it. When I have approached our local Gram Panchayat, because I'm living in village, when I have approached local Gram Panchayat, I haven't got a positive response from there. When I have been on the website of MSME, there is no code or there is no facility for the exporters or the traders. So please reply on this and please make a video on the steps to establish a proprietorship firm. So thank you very much, Prajanya, first of all, for asking this wonderful question. And to establish a proprietorship firm is really simple and very easy steps. We can say 80% of the Indian businesses, when they are starting their business, they are following these simple steps to establish for the proprietorship, because it's easy to set up and easy to run. So that's why. So there are 4 to 5 steps that you have to go with, and accordingly it will be a ready to export business as well. The first thing is you need to have the registration with any government department or the taxation body on which you can open the current bank account, right? So you are having 2 options. The first one is you can open or you can do the registration with your local municipal corporation. If you are living in village, so just try to find out that which district is covering that village, and accordingly you can approach the local municipal corporation and you can done the registration of your firm. Over there you will be having a shop act license. It will be a license to do the business basically. So on that base, on that shop act license, you can open the current account, or you can have the GST as well, which can be applied directly from the online website, which is gst.gov.in. So you can get it done directly online within next 4 to 5 working days of time. So that's 2 registrations can help you out with to opening the current bank account, and that is the registrations that you are having as a proprietorship firm, right? So the registration is done, then you can open the current bank account with any national or international bank. There is no need to worry, or there is no have to think about that this bank is going to give me the facility or not. But most of the banks are there right now dealing with the export-import documents as well, and they are opening the export-import account in which you can get the, or you can remit, or you can receive the foreign currency as well. So that you can done with any current bank account. Then the next option is to get the IEC, that is Import Export Code. On the basis of this current account, right, you can go with the cancel check and address proof. These two documents are required to get the IEC, that is Import Export Code, and that is going to give you the authority to do the export and import of any product or services which is allowed and restricted in the terms of category in the terms of government policy by the government of India. So that can be done. And the last step is to get the membership of your respective export promotion council. If you are dealing, for an example, if you are dealing with an agriculture product, so your export promotion council will be APEDA, right? That is Agriculture and Processed Food Export Development Authority. So you can get the RCMC, registration cum membership certificate, from the APEDA, and accordingly you can make a business of export of agriculture products. So these are the steps that you need to follow to establish your proprietorship firm. Apart from that, there is no any registrations kind that you need to make with under the Companies Act or with the MCA, with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. There is no such kind of registrations are required when you are establishing a proprietorship firm. So just don't worry. These simple steps can allow you to have a proper ready to export business in a proprietorship firm, right? So let us summarize the steps, and accordingly you can make a formation of your firm. The first one is to register yourself with the just company name. You just need to decide the company name and give your KYC document, your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your photo. Accordingly, you can get the ShopEx license. And the second one is this GST. The next step is to get open the current bank account. Next step is to get the IEC Import Export Code from the dgft.gov.in, and the last step is to get the RCMC from respective export promotion councils. These are the simple steps to establish a normal, simple proprietorship firm. So hopefully, Prajanya, you have got the answer, and accordingly, still if you are having any doubt or queries, you can just put them into the comments and we will be back with a video. So all the viewers, all the exporters, importers, let me recommend you that if you want to establish and if you want a professional, long-time, lifetime export-import business, just get the thoroughly knowledge. Instead of this is a big part of the whole ocean. It is required to get the thoroughly knowledge of your export-import business, and accordingly you can get the best product, you can find the best market, shipping, logistics, right? If you are facing the challenges in just setting up a company, just think about when you will jump into the ocean, right? About in export or in international business, how many questions will be there, how many challenges will be there. So how many times you are going to ask this? Definitely we are trying to reply all the possible comments into the YouTube or on any social media. But I would recommend, if you would like to go for export import business, just get the thoroughly knowledge. You can call on any given number. You can visit our website. You can just give a call on the counselor number. Get the free counseling. First of all, get the free counseling as per your status, what you are doing right now, what are the opportunities that you can explore, what is the procedure, what are the platforms by which you can learn the things, right? So just get the free counseling on our given number. So thank you very much, all the viewers. And if you are first time on this video, first time on our YouTube channel, I just would like to request, please subscribe, please make a comment, please like, and please press the bell icon so you can get the latest updated videos. Thank you very much and wish you very best of luck, everyone. Thank you.